Good morning, everyone. It's Q. Today is May 14th, and today is another sale. It was just one, but it's early. It was about 8 o'clock right now. I've been up since about 5 this morning. So, this is a particular item that I have. I don't even know exactly. I forgot what it was. Hold on, let me check it. It's a Cisco Meraki MX64 firewall. I'm not exactly sure what these are used. I mean, I think they're used for like to switch different networks or having different multiple users. I don't know, but y'all can see a picture on the screen. But I just saw that yesterday. Well, I have it listed for $100 plus they pay for shipping, because I saw like different ones around the price, 70, 100, some even more than that. But I priced at 100, and yesterday somebody actually sent me an offer of $50, and then they sent me a message asking me is it claimed or not, and if it wasn't, they would pay $50 for it. And I wasn't sure. I mean, I've been seeing that on eBay, like certain stuff that say claimed or unclaimed, but I ended up looking it up to see exactly kind of where it is, but what it was. I mean, and pretty much, I guess if the person who had this had either a license to it or whatever, so it's pretty much registered to whoever it was. So I ended up having to make an account on I forgot what the website was, but I made an account and then put in the serial number from the box from this thing, and to see if it was claimed or not, and it said it was already in use. So in my area, I feel that's said that somebody still got a claim. So I ended up messaging the buyer back, telling them it was claimed. Then he ended up asking me if I could take it off, and I told him I got this from an auction, so I don't know who's the owner was. So that was the end of those messages. But today, even after that, I ended up changing the description and the title. Just put claimed in description and then in the title. So now I know it's claimed, and I still left the $100 on there. I thought about dropping it actually to about 45, but I never did it. So I'm glad I didn't. But today, somebody ended up sending me an offer for 70, so I accepted that. So now at this moment, I'm just waiting on them to pay me. But all I know right now, this is sold, plus with the power adapter. So probably put this in a 10x7x4, one of the priority boxes, bubble wrap it a little bit, and I don't even think I got any bubble wrap left. Glad I ordered some, but put that in the box, ship it on off. But that's it for this morning so far. So whatever happens then till the end of the day, I'll let y'all know. But until then, I will see y'all later. So with that sale, that's not gonna happen. Buyer ended up messaging me asking me if I can unclaim it. If I unclaim it and buy it, I had to explain to him I got this from an auction, so I can unclaim it. And then they asked me if I know the owner too, and I'm like, no, I don't know the owner. So pretty much, in all, they pretty much don't want it. I wish they would have asked me that before they even bought it, because I already had the title and description changed to saying that it was claimed. So if they would have read that, they would at least message me first before buying or sending the offer. So once they sent me that message saying that they will, and if I could unclaim it, I pretty much just went right back on there and just relisted it back to the quantity of one, because I already knew right then and there they're not going to buy it. So with all that said, that's pretty much over with that. So I got that listed, and now I have a new thing that's someone sent me an offer on. I just actually listed this like a couple hours ago. So it is one of these sonic firewall devices. This, I don't have a power cord to it. The kind that goes to it, I don't know if you can see real something like that rectangular. I don't have that. It's not in none of the stuff that I got neither. So I just listed it as without the power cord. I listed for $29.99, and a buyer just sent me an offer of $25. So I accepted it. Now I'm waiting on this person to pay. Now we're gonna see if another message come up about some other stuff. But all in all, everything's still going. So leave it here again, and maybe I return. I don't know. Till then, I'll see you in a minute. Alright, we got another one going out. This one's coming from OfferUp. I actually just posted this maybe an hour ago. So, cause I'm just posting a lot of stuff. So, what I got going out now is a Harman Kardon multimedia speakers, like some computer speakers, pretty much. But here you go, right here. I had them up for $30, and they offered me $20, so I accepted it, which is okay. So, like I said, all of this is right here is pure profit also. So I'll get these boxed up. Well, actually, I already got them boxed up, but I already printed out the layer. I just got to slap it on there now. So that'll be pretty much it for me. And well, that's it. If anything else happens, I'll let y'all know. Peace out again.